Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming compatibility. A G Sync or G Sync compatible monitor and a modern Nvidia GPU matter. Once done, update drivers to the latest WHQL package and reboot because driver-level support prevents glitches. Then plug the monitor via DisplayPort. HDMI often lacks full features. Next, open the Nvidia control panel and go directly to Setup G Sync. Here you choose whether to enable for full screen only or windowed and check the monitor box. This is the first actionable step. Now configure the detailed options so G Sync behaves predictably. You should set your Windows refresh rate to the monitor's maximum hertz to give G Sync the full range. In Nvidia Control Panel, enable G Sync for full screen or for both full screen and windowed if you use borderless games. Make sure VSync is enabled in the control panel to prevent tearing when your FPS exceeds refresh, and switch to low latency mode if microstutter appears. These tweaks harmonize output and latency. Finish by testing G Sync with a game that produces variable frame rates and enable an in-game FPS limit or use RTSS to keep frames within the display range. Once stable, adjust low persistence or overdrive on the monitor to reduce ghosting. Small tweaks improve clarity. If you see flicker, blackouts, or stutter, first swap the DisplayPort cable and try a slightly lower refresh rate. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most hardware handshake issues between GPU and panel.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.